Gong Xi Gong Sammie. Guys, today I'm going to show you a cute craft for the year of the rat. We need white paper, scissors, glue stick, black marker, and colored pencils. Let's get started! First, we need to cut out these circles. Cut this halfway in the middle. I'm done cutting it. Let's draw the face. Let's color the ears. Let's glue this to make the pointed face. Done gluing the face. My mommy drew this earlier. Let's color. The face and ears. Let's put glue. Let's attach the head. Oh my gosh, she looks gorgeous! Hope you like our video and please give thumbs up and like and subscribe. Gong Xi Gong Sammie.